you coming on down to LA, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in because I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I really do. If I could give you guys a huge hug right now, just bring it in, yup. I would give you guys a hug and just thank you so much for all the love and support because I really do appreciate it. This video is going to be 5 things that I wish I would have known before moving to LA. So I have some gems. So let's get started. Beauty supply stores are not going to be in your area unless you live in a certain part of LA. And the closest thing you're going to get to a beauty supply store is going to be Sally's Beauty, which technically is a beauty supply store, CVS, Walgreens, Target. That's as close as you're going to get. And you might find some products at Food for Less. But other than that, you're out of luck, sis. That's the real. I don't consider Eco Style Gel to be edge control. Like, I need the edge booster. I need the Hicks. I need the edge control, like when you swoop inside. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get that grip from your fingers. So when you do your baby hairs, they just swoop and you can just do your hair right. The closest thing you're gonna get to these edge controls, though, I will say, they do have them, but it's either gonna be a little bit pricier or it's just not gonna be what you want. Like, Eco Style Gel is for natural hair to me. I don't use Eco Style Gel when it comes to doing my edges. Like, that, it doesn't, my edges laugh.
Oh, dab on them.
So if your edges laugh and think it's hilarious when you decide to put Eco Style Gel on them like mine, then just pack your edge control now and your edge brushes, because it's either gonna be really overpriced or you're gonna have to go further. So if you, for example, like if you live in the Hollywood area or if you live downtown, you're probably not gonna see a beauty supply store. So you might have to go to South LA. Maybe West LA has it too. I haven't been to West LA that I know of. You're not gonna find your quick stop lashes if you're not getting your lashes from official SBY and you just need some quick little lashes real quick. You can't go and get your little like sample lash that's gonna just last you for the night until your shipment of official SBY lashes come in. You can't even do that. So you're gonna have to go out bald-eyed. Unless you're okay with driving and being in traffic. I hate traffic. I don't really like driving or like being on road trips anyway. So for me, it's not, I don't wanna be in traffic for like an hour or an hour and a half for edge control. And then fight for a parking spot when I get back. So I suggest, ladies and gents, get all of your brushes, get your combs, because sometimes those are overpriced as well. I know I saw a rat tooth comb for like $5, which is crazy. Your do-rags, all of that, just get it back home, bring it in that suitcase. Don't put it in the carry-on because then you're gonna feel super salty. Put it in the actual luggage and you'll be good. I wish I would have known about furniture stores here because I was stressing out like, oh my God, like how am I gonna get a bed? How am I gonna, like I was just so happy to move to LA, and then when it got to be like a week before, I'm like, wait a minute, I'm gonna need a bed, I'm gonna need a dresser, I'm gonna need like a whole bunch of stuff. But I didn't know. I mean, I knew, but like, I didn't know where I was gonna get this stuff. So I got my stuff from IKEA, but I suggest if you do go to IKEA, make sure you get the family pass that they have because you can get different discounts and deals. You're not gonna find your quick stop lashes if you're not getting your lashes from official SBY and you just need some quick little lashes real quick. You can't go and get your little like sample lash that's gonna just last you for the night until your shipment of official SBY lashes come in. You can't even do that. So you're gonna have to go out bald-eyed. And when you sign up, or like they'll have different promotions, so you can get a good deal on some of your stuff there. So I definitely suggest that. Also, there's resale shops in LA, and there's other little small mom and pop resale furniture shops that you can get some good stuff for the low low. So when I go shopping, because I have to get myself a dresser, that's my next thing. So when I get myself a dresser, I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how to do your resale shopping for furniture. Let me tell you something. Nail shops are something that I wish I would have known down here so I can mentally prepare myself. I've tried a few nail salons at this point, and either some of them have been rude with their customer service. So when I would go to the nail shop, they would take the polish off, do your cuticles, massage, get in your feet, like make it feel real good. They're using the thumb muscle, and you know if you use the thumb muscle, that means you really getting in there. If you're using that thumb and that shoulder, and you know it's going all hand in hand. And no, they're just gonna go doop doop. And they don't even put the hot towel. And you know, like when you put the hot towel on the leg, and then they go like this, and they just go to town with it. Okay, they're going crazy. No, don't expect that. Don't expect to get the whole shebang. If you want that whole shebang, there's levels out here. Okay, to the nail shops. My two top nail salons right now that I really love, and if you guys have suggestions of nail shops, please let me know. But I love Dre and Michelle's salon. It's called The Brand Nails, and I really love her salon because one, duh, it's black owned, so of course I'm gonna love to spend my money there. And also they're really nice, they're friendly there. The playlist is bomb, okay? They make sure you have a little, like you getting your toes done, you feeling the vibe. Like, it's a great vibe in there, and it's positive, and you know, you can tell them to get creative on your nails, and they're not gonna mess them up, and you're not gonna be like, I don't want these, like I wanna take them off. I'd rather have them like a blank canvas. You're not gonna want that at her shop. And if you're lucky, you might come and see Drea. She works really hard at her shop as well too. And I know when I went there, I felt great. I called in, I was able to get an appointment. She knew my name when I walked in. Help pick your color, make sure you're doing good. So they really do care about you. Another place I like to go to is called Swank. Number one reason why I love to go there is because it's a nice little peaceful environment, and they give you champagne. So if you know you can scroll down your timeline on Instagram with your champagne in your hand, and the nail techs there, they talk to you as well. So it's like you're sipping tea and you're sipping champagne at the same time. I'm telling you, it's a great vibe. I didn't know how much cereal really costs in LA. When I tell you, when I first bought groceries, right, I bought at least $100 worth of things, or like $150, I would say $115. And I went to a grocery store, and when I tell you, I barely bought a thing. I was like, I'm hungry, and all I have is spices and some salmon and a box of cereal. Like, I had nothing. And cereal here, when I went to that grocery store, was $5.
And
I said I need to put the cereal back. You know, I'll just have water for breakfast. I go to Food for Less, and I can get my box of cereal for $3. So that's cool. But $5, it's just something with $5 and cereal that just like, I just can't get jiggy with. Also, I wish I would have known about the fashion here in LA. Let me tell you, LA has two extremes, and it's just these two. And this is just from my opinion of what I've observed. There's the really chill, like I didn't even try, but I'm really cute and edgy look. And then the, oh, we're dressing, okay? It's a very like chill, but laid back, but I'm still cute, don't get it twisted, but I'm still making a fashion statement. Literally some lashes and some lip gloss, and make sure your hair is cute. And like I said, the outfit, how I described, like just do that and you're good. Those are 5 things that I wish I would have known before moving to LA. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to like and comment anything else that you want me to mention about moving to Los Angeles, or if you have any questions, or if there's anything that you wish you would have known before moving to LA, make sure you comment below, as well as subscribe to my channel, because if you are not subscribed, baby, according to my Apple Watch, you are late. But it's okay because we welcome everyone. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I really do appreciate it. Bye.